Welcome to Knowledge Point.
हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम पक्षियों के बारे में बात करेंगे। कुछ पक्षी जो आकाश में उड़ते हैं और कुछ पक्षी जो पानी में तैरते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Which bird is this? This is parrot. Parrot means तोता. Parrot sounds as Which bird is this? This is Maina. Maina means Maina. Maina sounds as Which bird is this? This is cock. Cock means murga. Cock sounds as Which bird is this? This is hen. Hen means murgi. Hen sounds as Which bird is this? This is pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Pigeon sounds as Which bird is this? This is dove. Dove means fakta. Dove sounds as Which bird is this? This is peacock. Peacock means more. Peacock sounds as Which bird is this? This is peahen. Peahen means morning. Peahen sounds as Which bird is this? This is bat. Bat means changadar. Which bird is this? This is falcon. Falcon means bunch. Falcon sounds as Which bird is this? This is hawk. Hawk means bunch. Hawk sounds as Which bird is this? This is eagle. Eagle means teal. Eagle sounds as Which bird is this? This is vulture. Vulture means gidd. Vulture sounds as bird is this? This is ostrich. Ostrich means शुतुरमुर्ग. Ostrich sounds as Which bird is this? This is owl. Owl means ullu. Owl sounds as Which bird is this? This is hummingbird. Hummingbird means gunjan panchi. Hummingbird sounds as Which bird is this? This is sparrow. Sparrow means goraiya. Sparrow sounds as Which bird is this? This is crow. Crow means kawa. Crow sounds as Which bird is this? This is raven. Raven means kala kawa. Raven sounds as Which bird is this? This is gull. Gull means gull. Gull sounds as Which bird is this? This is quail. Quail means bater. Quail sounds as Which bird is this? This is cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal. Cuckoo sounds as Which bird is this? This is pheasant. Pheasant means teeter. Pheasant sounds as Which bird is this? This is kingfisher. Kingfisher means Ram Chiraiya. Kingfisher sounds as Which bird is this? This is woodpecker. Woodpecker means Katfulva. Woodpecker sounds as Which bird is this? This is bulbul. Bulbul means bulbul. Bulbul sounds as Which bird is this? This is heron. Heron means bagula. Heron sounds as Which bird is this? This is crane. Crane means saras. Crane sounds as Which bird is this? This is duck. Duck means kathak. Duck sounds as Which bird is this? This is swan. Swan means hens. Swan sounds as Which bird is this? This is goose. Goose means kalhans. Goose sounds as Which bird is this? This is flamingo. Flamingo means rajhans. Flamingo sounds as Which bird is this? This is penguin. Penguin means penguin. Penguin sounds as
Hi, hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more videos.